Hello everyone, welcome to another series of Mind Map. Today's topic of discussion is Indus River System. First of all, we will have a look at the introduction of the topic. Then we will discuss about the origin of Indus River, right bank tributaries, left bank tributaries, features at different stages, Indus Water Treaty and way forward. So first of all, let's have a look at the introduction of the topic. The Indus Valley has been the cradle of one of the oldest civilizations in the world, the Indus Valley Civilization. Indus is one of the largest river basins of the world, covering an area of 11.65 lakh square kilometer and a total length of 2,880 kilometer. In India, it covers 3,21,289 square kilometer and a length of 1,114 kilometer. The Indus, also known as the Sindhu, is the westernmost of the Himalayan rivers in India. In Tibet, it is known as 𝐾𝐫𝐢𝐬𝐡𝐭𝐢 or Lion's Mouth. It is an antecedent river and follow its original path cutting through the mountain ranges. Now let's discuss about the origin of Indus River. It originates from a glacier near Bokhar-Chu near Mansarovar Lake in the Tibetan region at an altitude of 4,164 meter in the Kailash range. After flowing in the northwest direction between the Ladakh and 𝐷𝐺𝐸 ranges, it passes through the town of Leh and is joined by the 𝐷𝐺𝐸 river, then passes through Baltistan. It cuts across the Ladakh range, forming a spectacular gorge near Gilgit in Jammu and Kashmir. It enters into Pakistan near Chilas in the Dardistan region. It takes a sharp southerly bend and reaches Attock. Here it ends its mountainous journey and is joined by Kabul River from Afghanistan. Now let's discuss about right bank tributaries. Passing over Kargil, it is joined by Shyok River from the right side along with its tributary Nubra River. Later it is joined by Gilgit River along with its tributary River Hanza. Near Attock in Pakistan, it is joined by Kabul River. Some other tributaries after Attock includes Kurram River, Toch River and Gomal River. Now let's discuss about left bank tributaries. First is the Jhelum. It is an important tributary of the Indus, rises from a spring at Verinag, situated at the foot of the Pir Panjal in the southeastern part of the valley of Kashmir. It flows through Srinagar and the Vular Lake before entering Pakistan through a deep narrow gorge. It joins the Chenab near Jhang in Pakistan. Next is the Chenab. It is the largest tributary of the Indus. It is formed by two streams, the Chandra and the Bhaga, which join at Tandi near Kelong in Himachal Pradesh. The Ravi is another important tributary of the Indus. It rises west of the Rohtang Pass in the Kullu Hills of Himachal Pradesh and flows through the Chamba Valley of the state. Before entering Pakistan and joining Chenab near Sarai Sidhu, it drains the area lying between the southeastern part of the Pir Panjal and the Dhauladar ranges. The Beas originating from the Beas Kund near the Rohtang Pass at an elevation of 4,000 meter above the mean sea level. The river flows through the Kullu Valley and forms gorges at Kati and Largi in the Dhauladar range. It enters the Punjab plains where it meets Satluj near Harike. The Satluj originates in the Rakshastal near Mansarovar at an altitude of 4,555 meter in Tibet, where it is known as Langchen Khambab. It passes through the Shipkila on the Himalayan ranges and enters the Punjab plains. It is very important tributary as it feeds the canal system of the Bhakra Nangal project. Now moving on to the features at different stages. Since these are fed both by melting of snow and precipitation, rivers of this system are perennial. These rivers pass through the giant gorges carved out by the erosional activity carried on simultaneously with the uplift of the Himalayas. Many of the rivers of Indus system are antecedent and cut through the mountains. Besides deep gorges, these rivers also form V-shaped valleys, rapids and waterfalls in their mountainous course. While entering the plains, they form depositional features like flat valleys, oxbow lakes, floodplains, braided channels. While approaching the sea, they form deltas near the river mouth. Now let's discuss about Indus Water Treaty. The waters of the Indus River system are shared by India and Pakistan according to the Indus Water Treaty. It was signed between the two countries on 19th September 1960. The negotiations were carried out with the help of the World Bank, which is also a signatory. According to this treaty, India can utilize only 20% of its total discharge of water. In 2016, Pakistan had approached the World Bank raising concerns of India's Kishangarh and Ratel hydroelectric power projects. The plants are located in India on tributaries of the 𝐃𝐫𝐢𝐬𝐡𝐭𝐢 and the Chenab rivers respectively. Project Kishangarh was inaugurated in 2018, while the Ratel project is under construction. The World Bank is not financing either project. Now lastly, let's discuss about the way forward. Extensive deforestation and human interference in the ecology of the Shivalik Hills has led to a marked deterioration in vegetation and growing conditions. The Indus Valley regions are arid with poor vegetation. Agriculture is sustained largely due to irrigation works. The Indus River and its watershed has a rich biodiversity. It is home to around 25 amphibian species. Indus River dolphin is found in this river system is listed as endangered under IUCN list, and Himalayan ecosystem is fragile and it should be explored and utilized very carefully. Now it's time for the practice questions. First of all, note down the prelims question that was asked in 2021 exam also. With reference to the Indus River system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one of them, which joins the Indus direct. Among the following, which one is such river that joins the Indus direct? Chenab, 𝐃𝐫𝐢𝐬𝐡𝐭𝐢, Ravi or Satluj? You can send the answer of this question in the comment section. Now moving on to the mains question. This question was asked in 2016 exam also. Question is, present an account of the Indus Water Treaty and examine its ecological, economic and political implications in the context of changing bilateral relations. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.